Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming software is updated on both the Volvo XC90 and your iPhone. Updates fix compatibility and bugs. Plug a certified Lightning cable into the car's USB port or enable wireless CarPlay in the car's connectivity menu. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on and your iPhone is unlocked. The system needs that handshake. Once you see the CarPlay prompt on the Census screen, accept it. This initial authorization lets the car access navigation, audio, and messages securely. Once CarPlay is active, you'll want to customize quickly so it works the way you drive. Use the Volvo touchscreen to launch CarPlay and confirm microphone and steering wheel controls are enabled. They ensure voice and physical controls function. Then, on your iPhone, go to Settings, General, CarPlay to reorder icons or add third-party navigation apps. Make sure your preferred navigation and audio apps are set as defaults so directions and media start immediately when you begin a trip, minimizing distractions. To complete setup, test Siri voice commands, make a test call, and play audio to confirm sound routes to the car speakers. If CarPlay won't connect, first try unplugging and replugging the cable or toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone. That resolves most glitches. If that fails, reboot the phone and the Volvo's infotainment system. As a last resort, reset iPhone network settings or forget and repair the vehicle. These steps clear persistent pairing conflicts while keeping your data intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.